Welcome to SK Novel Materials and Technologies LLP. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential components in modern electronics, the SiO₂ wafer, also known as a silicon dioxide wafer. Let's take a closer look at its specifications and why it's so crucial in various industries. What is silicon dioxide wafer? SiO₂ wafers are primarily composed of two layers. The substrate, made of silicon, and a thin layer of silicon dioxide, typically grown or deposited on the surface. Silicon dioxide is widely used because of its excellent insulating properties and compatibility with silicon. SiO₂ wafers are fabricated through two main processes. Thermal oxidation. Silicon reacts with oxygen to form a thin SiO₂ layer. Chemical vapor deposition, CVD, SiO₂ is deposited on the wafer's surface using chemical reactions. Each process allows precise control over the thickness of the SiO₂ layer, which can range from a few nanometers to several microns, depending on the application. Specifications of SiO₂ wafers. Oxidation technique, wet oxidation or dry oxidation. Grade, prime, test or research. Diameter, 2" to 8". Oxide thickness, 100-1000 A. Tolerance, plus or minus 5%. Thickness, 275 to 775 micrometers. Orientation, 100, 111, 110. Si conductivity, P-type, N-type. C resistivity, 0.001 to 10,000 ohm cm. Grade, prime, test, dummy, mechanical. SiO₂ wafers are used across a variety of industries, including semiconductor manufacturing, microelectromechanical systems, photovoltaics, optoelectronics. From semiconductors to solar energy, SiO₂ wafers are at the heart of countless innovations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into cutting-edge tech.